I get my own brothers and my friend for Inside Studio. Our movie we will do together called Inside Live in this cinema today. So therefore, I get the cast of Inside Live. One of the cast of Inside Live because two of them supposed to. In fact, me why they talk? Me say na cast. Me say na cast.
Very major cast.
Very. I get the producer and one of the cast will be one of una own, one I like, una love, Broda Shaggi in the studio.
Hello, how are you gonna say? Any question of the day?
We will hit you soon.
We will hit you very soon. And then the producer of the movie, Chooks. Now, in case you don't know, the movie Inside. In fact, Chooks, tell us what will be the story of Inside Life.
Good morning, Walil. My name is Chris Enete, right? Producer Inside Life, like this is my guy here. Inside Life is inspired by a true life story.
Where be say na person we go prison.
Good. Where be say now my friend, you just give me one book. I carry the book, I read. I read and reach where they remand am for prison. I call him, guy. You say now wetin carry you go prison be this? He say yes. I say okay, no worry, they come. May I read this book finish first? When I read the book finish, I call him. I say no, the world must hear this thing will happen to you. Now so this journey takes start.
Wow.
Remanded in prison unjustly for this our same Nigeria. Wait till they happen till tomorrow. Now why I say we must tell ourselves some truth so that you will come out early in the morning, go hustle. If you come back for night, thank Baba God. For this country, as we do now, thank Baba God.
If you watch the movie, you can understand what we talk. Anyway, Chris Enete na one of the producers. In fact, the producer, not be say one of the producer, the producer of the movie Inside Live. Inside Live, a movie about somebody when he be say staff of company when he be say go make it go represent their lawyer.
In company, you
go represent in company. Yeah. Because lawyer not come.
The lawyer was to meet him there.
Yes,
lawyer no come.
Now so the guy take carry the case come turn upside down.
No, it's okay. Make them when they watch and they go no. But
but man will not to give an out the story. One of the leaders of the cast, Broda Shaggi. What be your cast name? What be your cast name? I don't forget your cast name. No. Information minister. What be the thing where you see for the script? Will make you decide to do the movie?
Okay, I know be activist number one, but any matter we don't concern. Say the way Nigeria, that story. Now the story, na real life story.
Not be like yes.
Now this country happen. You understand, bro? If you enter prison, you go see plenty people where they there based on waiting they don't even know about waiting they know waiting the matter not even concern them. They just pack some people. You understand? So the story is crazy. When I read the script, I was like, damn. I've been opportune to know some people that are in prison for things they've not done.
Yes.
I said no. I will try this movie. I will try enact this story. Try the part of and I can't say as the boss can't tell me say Nedu dey there. Romeo dey there. I say wait you can't do. I don't go there.
Even prosper.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wale Ojo and all of them. Now the one of the major question I want to ask now say okay. Wait, you get any me and me I not see any challenge for me shooting the movie. For you, you get any challenge for you shooting the movie?
Make I don't lie you. I don't see any challenge. You know, say we face challenges every day. The only challenge I see now mosquito waste.
Hey, thank you.
Tombo, I want Jesus. I want all those small snippets.
Tombo, the mosquito will bite us for that place. I swear, the mosquito. He be like those mosquito with the gym. I swear down.
Now,
mosquito will go do NSAS.
You see the mosquito will bite tonight. Those ones they learn. From the one way bite the people way come the first day. May I give you now small backstory. When we go pick that place where we use as prison.
Yes.
You know, so during the day we do.
Yes.
We begin do construction during the day. So one day as we just want to go the watch night come say when una want to do this movie I say I will join the day. I say because for night mosquito they worry for hell.
Say na normal mosquito na you
say
go
na
just
leg
flick
go.
it.
So the first day when we shoot, I was going to shoot because the place hot. Even my DP come dey say we be like say we no go dey shoot for day, we go dey shoot for night. Say because this heat fits damage our equipment. I say okay, that day we come shoot enter night. 9 mosquitoes start. That day I wear jeans. At first they feel the thing they bite me through jeans. That I call. I say director. I said the mosquito wey dey here. Then they bite through jeans. He say producer which level? How mosquito go dey bite from jeans? I said okay, no worry now. I dey lie. I agree. Next thing he turned to me, producer. Nah, track that.
No joke.
They bite me.
No joke.
One person kill 120 mosquitoes that night. We just tell ourselves we will all die here.
The mosquito, the first time when mosquito bites me, that first night, I get blisters. Like my skin swell. My skin swell. Even with the cream,
I said we come fumigate. See,
People with the cream on our rub.
yeah,
Yes.
I said we fumigate. Then we come say, man, we can go buy 2 cartons of cream. If you remember, we begin give everybody one
cream. Yeah.
Where all this repellent,
mosquito repellent cream.
Meanwhile,
Is it bite?
You go rub and finish like 20 minutes. Those mosquitoes, they be like who come from war.
Then they say, if I, like, you know, say normal lucky mosquito. We can't do view.
This one,
But this one, they don't the producer of Inside Life say he won't ask me a question because of say me self I did for inside the film. Oh yeah, Oga Chuks ask me a question.
Wetin make you agree? Being that me and you never see before, you don't know me from anywhere.
Yes.
Say you won't be part of this program.
No, nah.
Because you suffer me small.
Yes. I suffer you. How I take suffer you?
You don't forget, say now, when I cast this thing,
Yeah.
I've not met any of you.
Yes.
I've not met any of you before.
Yes.
So, when I checked your page, you
Yes.
can't dey Ghana that period.
Yes.
When you lodge for Ghana, now there I lodge like a year before. I say, now spirit, they talk to me, so now this guy must play this role. Now I contact you. But it was only through Instagram I could reach you.
Okay.
Surprisingly, you reply.
Okay.
So we talk small. You say, when you come back Nigeria, we will continue. Say they come back, give me time. Then I say, okay. We come back Nigeria now. I begin talk to my guy. My guy no answer me again. Meanwhile, I no get a number. I try. Nothing. You know, even the answer I get, I say, hey,
I not reply you.
at all.
Yeah. Nah, devil work.
No. Before I come call somebody,
devil work.
I say I need Nedu number. Anyhow, give me. And then give me. That evening I just call you, your pick. Now we talk. You say, God, you want me I do this project. I go say, okay, so now on purpose, this man they avoid. But then you came and you were too pleasant. In fact, all of you now. Too pleasant. Shaggy here too now. I never met Shaggy before. Till now that's day when Shaggy come. The first thing when you tell me say, I want to see the prison. I say, I say no, because now this is what they play here. I just carry and go. When you see the prison, I just not heard. And you know say you no come.
Yes.
You no follow.
No,
You no follow. Because you will be not ask me some background questions.
Yes.
As I just answer for your mind, you know, say, okay, this man serious.
Yes.
Because I don't blame any of you now. Right?
My brother, before you enter any project, it just makes sense.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because
they see something else.
because
else.
if you don't see the script, Shaggy be don't see the script. I just say look, say how they want to achieve this. May no go be saying how these people go do wash thing, go lock them inside one parlor. They claim say na prison be this.
Yes.
So as he just come, just say I want to see the prison. Me too. My belly just sweet me. Say good. I like this kind of person. Let's go.
What even make me? I not go like give you now. When he tell me the story, tell me the story about the movie. I mean, I didn't know the kind of movie. Why I know they carry there any movie.
You talk so.
If you check, I know did. If the script not make sense, if the story not make sense, if the production everything not make sense, I know they do. I cannot count in a month. If I did turn down scripts, I did turn down reach like 10 scripts in a month. I don't want. If the production not make sense, I know they do. You understand?
Yeah.
When I ask some kind background question, when it be say, if I ask you self, Shaggy, you will know say now production person and they ask this question. When I ask her, well, give me some kind answer. Okay. And also when I come see the cast, I say Shaggy, I see Romeo, I see Kolo. Okay, I say the work go dey easy.
Because of the people they play
Because of the
with.
people they play with, it go dey easy because it dey easier to shoot with comedians.
Very true.
Because we dey bounce off each other.
Exactly.
If
And you guys do that
you understand,
plenty.
before Shaggy even talk, I feel know wetin him go talk.
Yeah.
So
Where
as
he
in
go.
the talk, him don't know say okay, me I go talk something.
Yes.
It does.
Yeah.
We don't necessarily have to follow the script verbatim,
Exactly.
but at least we know what it. So
Exactly.
in a part of the reason make me to say, oh yeah,
No
King Koshi movie. But if I also don't want to do am again because it not gonna disturb my money. And me, my one day is very very important. If for me to give you one day,
Bro.
for me to give you one day, it means I go shut down every. No, you have to pay for it
You
times
don't know
5.
what you first tell me when I tell you number of days where you go there. You know why? I just tell her. I say, "Oh, guys, it's impossible."
I think it's impossible. No, you can't take that number of days from me.
He says it's impossible. Make we not talk am again. It's impossible.
But anyways, all those was na story.
Yes,
all,
yes, yeah.
all those on
and I'm very proud of him.
Shaggy, after the movie, waiting be the, because like this guy, Passion of Christ, Jim Caviezel. After the Passion of Christ, Jim Caviezel learned something. After the Passion of Christ, what do you learn? What be that takeaway where you get after Passion of
After his life,
When I'm-
after Passion of
You know-
his life.
No, you know what you make me laugh? Like the way they take you. Now me and him know why they laugh. Okay. Now me and him know why they. Now me and Shaggy know why they laugh.
Baba. I learned a lot too. I learned no be small. Because
But I think one of the major thing where all of us learn where I know. Now say not be everybody where they prison, they guilty.
Correct.
yes.
Correct.
That's the
Correct.
biggest lesson of that movie.
Yeah.
Now the biggest lesson of that movie.
The eye where I tell you, the look people waiting inside Black Maria just change when I read the story. You know, before for me, once I just see Black Maria, they pass. Okay, waiting people they like Green Maria, Black Maria. When I see people for inside Black Maria, I see them criminal. When I read this my friend's story, it change. And that's why I talk say once you come up for morning, say one go hustle, you can't come back for night.
Supposed to be
Baba
thank God.
Dukbe.
You get one question where people they always ask me. I they tell them my own because now me know how I take the handler. Make I ask Shaggy because people go they. I sure say people go they ask and where also. People they always ask me, Nedu, you are doing 1 million things at the time. How do you manage your time? How do you manage your time? And I they tell them in a simple way. Now you think in my head the day.
Yes, no.
I know how I manage it. Make I ask you, how you take the manage your time, Shaggy?
Baba, nah, my work now my 24/7. I
Bam.
don't get any other thing where they do.
Bam.
You understand? Everybody get goals. You get so if they add other things to goals where you don't already get, now you sabi. You get what I mean? I dey go after waiting. I don't already plan. You know, it's a different thing when you are a goal setter and you're a goal getter. You just don't have to be a goal setter. You have to be a goal getter.
Go-getter.
If not, you go just set goals. Get
Yeah, you know,
time.
you
Just the parambulate.
it go be like New Year resolution. Anyway, we go open phone line. We go open phone line. Take 1 or 2 phone calls.
5th of January. don't end.
I said, only January.
They look at it, 5th of January. It's next year.
Next year.
Anywhere below face.
Anyway, my name is.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.